One of the problems we have here is the books are not very accessible. If they want to get a book from the bottom, all the books fall out. So that's not working out that well for us.
So tell me about how the book area, cozy area is working for you. I really love how you built the bookshelf into the fireplace.
We would like to fix it up and make it look a little more complete and finished. But they love the books. They can grab a book and they can come sit down over here. But again, it seems to be a common theme here. The display isn't as great as it could be. You can't see the books. There's no reason to come over here and grab a book because they don't know what it is.
All right, well, we'll definitely think about that.
So I'm just looking through each of the books and trying to decide, are they more appropriate for infants and toddlers or for the preschoolers? And then I'm separating out ones we're going to use in the space versus ones we might put in storage that you can rotate.
This is a bookcase that helps delineate some of the space and gives us some definition. There's a whiteboard on the back, and it's a bookcase where you can actually see the books that are in front of it to display as well. So they're more visually accessible to the children. So this is before, and then you'll see it with all the books in there.
We've went through all of the books and now we're putting them back in one central spot for the children.
They have a lot of books in this area, and one of the things we're trying to do is make them more accessible and just organize them. Oh, this book is in English and Somali, so this would be great to have here. Look, here's a horse, faras. Zebra is damer faro. Did you know that?
I did not know that. She has a great selection of books, but they were all mixed in together.
So basically, Crystal expressed that she was having a lot of trouble finding books when she was looking for some for a lesson plan for the kiddos. And so really what we were trying to do is streamline how she organizes the books and make it as efficient as possible. So when she's looking for a book, it's not like she has to dig through a huge pile, but she can instead, we organize it according to theme. So she'll be able to look here and say if she's looking for a numbers activity for the kids, she'll be able to come here and look at all of the numbers books and be able to pick whichever one that she wants from it.
Here is the library, cozy area. We brought in a new bookshelf because the books on the shelf are kind of hard to get access to, especially for the toddlers. And then we gathered all of the books. You had books all over. And we pulled them all together and put them on this one shelf. Really struggled to kind of decide what to do about the book area here because the kids had a hard time and the books were falling on the ground, but we couldn't find something just perfect to fit right here. So kind of last minute we came up with the idea to put some books along the bottom.
I think that's a great idea.
And see do you think that's going to be good, Lolly? And then there's also an extra basket of them there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And we made sure to keep that special book that I know is really popular right there. And the other photo books should be here somewhere as well.